What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today's video we are going to review Simplifi by Quicken. It is the personal finance app designed to help you effortlessly manage your finances, and in this video we'll take an in-depth look at its features, highlighting its pros and cons. Simplifi by Quicken offers a comprehensive suite of tools to track your spending, budget effectively, and plan for the future. Its intuitive interface makes managing your finances a breeze. Now let's dive into the key advantages of Simplifi. Simplifi's clean design and intuitive layout make it easy for users of all levels to navigate and understand their finances. The app's ability to automatically categorize expenses saves users time and effort, providing accurate insights into their spending habits. Simplifi empowers users to set and track saving goals effectively, helping them stay focused on achieving their financial objectives. Simplifi offers detailed financial reports, providing users with valuable insights into their spending patterns, savings trends, and overall financial health. These reports can be customized and exported for further analysis or sharing with financial advisors. Simplifi prioritizes the security of its user financial data, employing bank-level encryption and security protocols to ensure that sensitive information remain protected at all times. This commitment to security provides users with peace of mind when using the app to manage their finances. Now, despite its advantages, Simplifi does have a couple of drawbacks to consider. While Simplifi excels in budgeting and expense tracking, its investment managing features are relatively basic compared to dedicated investment platforms. Simplifi operates on a subscription model, which may deter some users who prefer one-time payment options or free alternatives. In conclusion, Simplifi offers a user-friendly and efficient solution for managing personal finances. While it may have some limitations, its intuitive interface and robust features make it a valuable tool for anyone looking to take control of their financial future. So there we have it, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.